Another axle.
I got a hell of an exhaust leak before the O2. I'm about to make a shitty pass. I just found it on right before I came here. Shitty launch and a shitty reaction, but at least it didn't fucking cut off. I don't feel like the nitrous was all the way kicked in then. What was that? 734? Oh, that what? Is that what I just ran? That wasn't bad. Reaction was shit. 17460 foot. It didn't give me an ET. 734, that's pretty damn good. Huh. Well, we ran a good fucking pass. Okay. Shit, I'll take it. No way. Motherfucker. God damn it. Broke another motherfucking axle. Son of a bitch. Fuck.
Damn it, Barry.
God damn it. Again. Son of a bitch. Well, at least I got snap ring pliers and another shaft with me today. Fuck. God damn it. That's some bullshit. Motherfucker. Damn it, boy.
Are you down here or are you up there?
Down's fine. It's just whatever's easy to push to.
This way?
Yeah. Some bitch. Damn it.
Let gravity do the work.
Thank you. Some bitch. Where can I fucking park at? Huh? I'm trying to see where I can go. I'm looking for an open spot. Right here. Alright, time to see what the damage is.
I'll see you guys. Later, bud.
How's your bed?
We out here changing axles, and we out here betting on foot racers. Look at these guys.
I thought I was doing go. I thought it was saying I'm gonna do